Is it worth it to remodel a bathroom? Hiring a contractor to remodel a bathroom may be a costly endeavor. Is it worthwhile? Yes, in most situations. Well-executed renovations not only enhance the value and charm of your house, but also the comfort of your family. Here are some money-saving ideas for renovating without going bankrupt. Choose high-quality appliances, fixtures, and cabinetry, but avoid costly frills like towel warmers and steam showers. Above all, never choose the cheapest contractor you can find. Instead, search for one with great references from pleased clients. You should also select a qualified and insured firm. Most essential, select the appropriate contractor for the project. Bathroom remodeling costs. The average overall cost of a bathroom suite makeover project is between $10,000 and $40,000. This estimate covers labor and material expenses, but does not include any plumbing or electrical work that may be required. Budget $300 to $500 per bathroom fixture, toilet, sink, and tub/shower, $1,000 to $3,000 for flooring, and $600 to $2,000 for walls and ceilings for your personal home remodeling project. Note, these figures are only estimates and will likely vary from region to region. Bathroom improvements frequently pay for themselves. This is especially true when you consider that a well-done bathroom renovation may add up to 50% more value to your property than selling it. According to the National Association of the Remodeling Industry, if a bathroom renovation is done well, homeowners will recover 50% of their investment. When you consider that a remodeled bathroom will increase the value of your house, it's simple to see why this is such a popular project. The bathroom is not only functional, but it also has an impact on the market value of your property. In certain situations, a new bathroom suite, which includes a tub, toilet, and sink, will pay for itself 110% of the time. Other estimates are less optimistic, with some estimating a net worth of about 50% of your investment. While it may seem like a no-brainer that the most expensive renovation projects will provide the highest return on investment, the fact is that certain projects will make you more money than others. Among these projects are 1. Adding an extra bathroom to your house. 2. Increasing the number of fixtures in your home's bathroom from 1 to 2. In general, the more recent your house is, the less money you'll receive back if you spend a lot of money on improvements.
Call now. 951-336-0550 or visit us on the web at boxconstructioncorp.com.